Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your profile picture into Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your profile in Bitget Wallet, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the Bitget Wallet, you will get to see this 4-circled icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into there, you just simply have to open your profile at very first. Just simply do that, and then you will get to see this option of profile picture. Tap into profile picture. Then after tapping in there, you can select between NFT gallery camera option. Just simply select any of those options in order to change your profile picture. Just simply select any of those at very first. And after that, just simply choose any picture from your gallery and tap to this check icon into the top right. And after doing this, your profile picture will successfully be changed into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.